Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer potato bites with melted cheese. Let's begin. We have here some organic gold potatoes and already washed some of the potatoes already. First thing what we're going to do is cut the potatoes. We're going to cut it in half and we're going to cut it down in the middle right there. And we're going to cut them into small bites. Just like that. And it should look something like this. And we'll cut up the rest real quick. There you go. We're going to season it first. We're going to add some salt. There you go. Some garlic powder. Some smoked paprika. And lastly, some ground black pepper. There you go. We're going to turn them around and do the same thing. Just flip them over. There you go. We flipped them all over. And we're going to season the other side. Just season the salt lightly. Some garlic powder. Some ground black pepper. And lastly, some smoked paprika. There you go. Next, we're going to spray some all onto the potato bites. Turn them around and do the same thing. There we go, we turn them all over and we're going to spray the other side. There we go, looking good. Try to use up some of the seasoning on the cutting board. There you go. This is what it looks like before you put it in, and now let's preheat the air fryer. We're going to push the preheat button and we're going to preheat it to 400 degrees and we'll be back. Okay, it's fully preheated to 400 degrees. Let's put in the potato bites. There you go, that's the first batch. Try to spread them out. And now let's put it in. We're going to turn it to 400 degrees for a total time of 20 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 10 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. Let's toss them around a little bit. Open this up. Let's give them a toss. Try to spread them out. And now let's put it back in for the last 10 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 20 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take them out. Let's see if they're cooked. We're going to take a fork and see if it pokes in. And they're soft, so they're cooked. Next, we're going to take the potatoes, put it back into the basket. And line it on the bottom. Make sure they're nicely spread out. Just like that. We have here some mozzarella cheese, and we're going to sprinkle some on top. And next we're going to add some cheddar cheese. There you go. Maybe just a little bit more mozzarella. Looking good. There you go. We tucked in the aluminum foil a little bit on the sides. And now let's put it in. We're going to leave it at 350 degrees for a total time of 2 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, we melted the cheese at 350 degrees for 2 minutes. Let's take them out. Looking great. Let's take it out. we're going to try to slide it off. There you go. Next, we're going to add some chopped up green onions on top. Okay, this is what we have today. Air fryer potato bites with melted cheese. I hope you enjoy this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite, and thanks for watching.